duality, polarity, contrast, the juxtaposition of incongruity. Some deep abstract linguistic concept that has been psychologically and sociologically misconstrued interpersonally in all different forms of culture. Like, why is irony, studies have shown you find far more prevalent in teens. So we've explored two subsets of linguistics. We've explored phonetics. There's a paradoxical phenomenon that occurs with a musical octave, because an A chord or C chord or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord hypothetically, let's say, consists of 550 hertz or 240 hertz. We say an A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz,
premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. It embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave? It turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So